Hey everyone, this is an unboxing video for my peeps who like the Hot Wheels and Matchbox collectibles. I was just down in Toledo today and I have this one unboxing video. I got some awesome red lines coming up. Warning, warning, warning. Give you a little bit of a view. Got a bifocal there. There's a dump truck sitting there. We're going to get into those in some other videos here. So like this page. You're going to enjoy this unboxing video for today. This lot I bought for $110 in an auction. The case is worth $6 or $7 in the shop. So let me show you why I bought this lot. I'm going to set the camera down for a second. So here's the first lot. I'm going to stand up here actually as well too. So Matchbox, early Matchbox, not a whole lot going on here from this. Mercedes-Benz truck, great condition, they always are, always very nice. SO Extra Bus, good condition, not bad. Gray wheel dump truck, but it's missing its plow. Not a good thing, plow is broken off. That's a tough truck actually too, but unfortunately it's missing its plow. Dodge wreck truck, unfortunately it's missing its hook. That'll still do well at the auction. All of this stuff still does well at the auction for me. Tootsie Toy, International. Fuel truck. Again, Matchbox. It looks like it's the light green, but it's not. It's the dark green. Missing its hook. That's like a $2 truck. It's no big deal. $2 truck. GMC, always missing its back when it's less than mint condition. It's a refrigerated truck. BP gas truck. Good shape. A little bit of toning and stuff. Not bad. Dodge wreck truck. All these are very common. Nothing serious going on there. Trash truck. Ford trash truck. Good shape, but they always are. Cities maintain their garbage trucks really well. Here is a fire truck, but the ladder is bent there in the end. Still a nice truck. Still do well. People like to collect fire trucks. This is the Lang dumper. It's in really good shape. The stickers always usually have something going on with them. And this is actually in pretty nice shape. Just needs a little bit of cleanup. And that will do well at the auction houses. Lang dumps usually do. One of my favorites. Always sells really well. The Combine. Steak truck without steaks, not worth anything. Just goes in the bulk bin. Fire truck, pin broken, just goes in the bulk bin. It's one of the reasons I bought the car too. Ferraris, red Ferrari. I got a guy looking for red Ferraris. This is the Husky 1960s red Ferrari. Since he was looking for red Ferraris, it's part of the reason I bought this collection. I know I can just go ahead and turn that over to him. And then the Jeep pickup truck, not in very good shape. That's probably just a bulk bin type of car. Might go to the auction house. Probably a bulk bin type of car. Dendra fire truck with all the corrosion. Bulk bin. The Kent Brigade fire truck. And the Hoveringham dump truck. All good. That's a decent truck. It'll do okay at auction. A lot of people collect dump trucks. But the real reason I bought this collection was, and I got it for only $110, was in the next video. This is why I bought the whole lot. You can see we've got some red lines. So this was actually turned wrong way. This was in the photos like this, so I knew I could see that it was damaged, but I knew it was really, really nice in the photos. So here is the 68 Hot Wheels Redline T-Bird. And yes, it has been dented here on the hood. Somebody else that buys this car could straighten this hood out a little bit better. And look how beautiful that car is. I'll be able to get the tires straightened out, but this is just a stunningly beautiful car. Blue with the white interior, US car, very, very sharp. Really, really nice spring to the steps as well too. Just a beautiful all-around car. Part of the reason for buying the collection. Just Ford scrapper. Pontiac I thought was in a little bit better shape than this. It's missing its door. It goes to scrap bin. This is the Jackrabbit Special. Near mint. It's a very pretty car. That's like a $20 car. Nice spring in the steps. You know, they always usually have a little bit more toning on the bases. Small little blemishes. This is about an 80%, 85% car by the time I get it cleaned up here. We'll know a little bit more when I look at it a little bit better. Johnny Lightning, no big deal. That's just nothing. This was another reason for buying the car. This is the King Cuda Chrome. Very, very tough car to find. You're going to see that I've got several of them now. It does have the wrong front tire on it. That's no big deal. I'll pop that off and put the right front tire on. I actually might put new tires all the way around on this one. I'm not sure. Might go to the Tire Man Auto Centers in Toledo, Ohio and get some new tires. Not sure exactly, but very, very pretty. Where was I at here? I got some trailers. It's always good because the boats are always separate too. This other 68 T-Bird, aqua color. I think that's aqua, yeah, aqua color. It looks blue, but it's aqua. Black painted roof, dark interior. Hong Kong car, Hong Kong. All of it really nice, nice base, nice spring in the steps. Again, this car's about a 60% car. A little bit of ding again here in this front corner. Camera's having a hard time picking it up, but a little bit of a ding there. We'll figure out what's going on. Maybe that's a little bit of, that can be cleaned up a little bit, but really, really nice aqua 68. Johnny Lightning, nothing there. All clean. But the benefit was on this one, really nice Volkswagen bus. These do really, really well. 25, 30 bucks a car. So of the 110, I got $7 for the case. I've got my money back just in the Matchbox cars, and then the Hot Wheels cars do really well. Then this was another bonus too. This was the Lions ice cream truck. The white one's the hard one, the blue one's easier. This isn't in the greatest of shape, but it'll still do well at the auction. There's a lot of people that collect ice cream trucks. And there was a Porsche. Nothing there, that'll just go in the bulk bin. And a farm tractor, or farm trailer, sorry, John Deere trailer. That was it for this particular lot. Thanks for watching. And, you know, I bought this for $110. And we'll do really well out on my Etsy channel. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.